Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the presentation of Group 2. Today, we'll be talking about the area where an exogenic process occurred. But before that, let us first better understand the exogenic process. The processes which occur on the Earth's surface due to the influence of exogenic forces are called exogenic processes or exogenic geomorphic processes. Weathering, mass wasting or movements, erosion, and deposition are the main exogenic processes. The team will lead you to a place where an exogenic process happened. Take it away, Unisha.
Thank you, Janine. I'm going to take you to a special and mysterious spot located in Antipolo City called the Mystical Cave. Dreams and Vision. Inday Nelly Dennis discovered the Mystical Cave in 1970. It's been said that when she was 7 years old, she had a dream and vision about this cave. Being from Iloilo originally, she traveled around the country to find the cave that she has been dreaming about. Then, she reached Antipolo and finally found the cave. Initially, the whole of the cave was the size of a coin. Gelignite was used to form a passable entrance through the cave.
Mysterious holy figures and scenes. It will take 200 stair steps before reaching the entrance of the cave, but once you enter, you'll be mesmerized. The cave is 8 stories deep, and the tour guide will show you the mysterious rock formations that resemble holy figures like Jesus Christ, Black Nazarene, Virgin Mary, and many more. The rock formations are quite spectacular, and their crystal sparkles beautifully when the guide's flashlight shines over them.
Stalactites and stalagmites. It's also been said that the rocks inside the mystical cave are alive. The rocks drip water from the ceiling and become stalactites and stalagmites, basically forming new rocks through their drippings. Even though there is a good scientific explanation about the rock formations, it is still a question why they resemble holy figures. Randomness, imagination, Filipinos like to differ.
You'll probably be curious about the connection between the mystical cave and exogenic processes. In accordance with www.nps.gov, caves are formed when dissolved particles are washed away and leave hollow spaces behind. This lab activity will focus on a chemical weathering process called dissolution. Dissolution occurs when rocks are dissolved.
Based on www.britannica.com, cave, also called the cavern, is a natural opening in the earth large enough for human exploration. Such a cavity is formed in many types of rock and by many processes. The largest and most common caves are those formed by chemical reaction between circulating groundwater and bedrock composed of limestone or dolomite.
Karst caves form mostly in one of the two types of rocks, and these are carbonates and evaporites. Carbonates are mostly limestone, dolomites, and marbles, and evaporated rocks are gemstone, anhydrite, and halite. Karst begin with rain where droplet picks up a carbon dioxide from the air.
Since you understand what this exogenic process is and how it relates to the mystical cave, we will explore its significance. Exogenic processes play an important role in the formation of relief and create a variety of landscape. Example, fertile plantains, leaves, and dottas are formed by the running water of river. Sea caves, large stacks, and cliffs are formed by the work of the waves.
In conclusion, exogenic processes are processes which occurs on the Earth's surface due to the influence of exogenic forces. The 4 main processes are weathering, physical, chemical, and biological, mass movements or wasting, slow and rapid mass movements, erosion and deposition. Chemical weathering is a key factor in the creation of caves and caverns.
Before ending the presentation, here are 10 easy ways on how can we conserve and protect our environment.
These processes may harm all living things on Earth, but it also has its own significance. That all concludes the presentation of Group 2. We sincerely appreciate your attention and time today. Thank you for listening and God bless.